Hey, it's your boy Eazy again. Welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and lubricate your motorcycle chain in 5 minutes. Dirt and grime can get in between the motorcycle chain links and can cause wear and tear on the chain as well as on the sprocket teeth, which is why it's important to clean that out of the chain and lubricate your chain to increase the longevity of it as well as of the sprocket. First thing to do is identify what kind of chain you have. If you have a new motorcycle in the last decade or so, chances are you're going to have a sealed motorcycle chain which has got rubber O-rings. So it's important to use a motorcycle cleaner, a chain cleaner that is safe to use on rubber parts. For old motorcycles which have regular chains and not sealed chains, they don't have any rubber parts, so you can use pretty much any cleaner, including gasoline, to clean the chains. But chances are you're going to have to use a rubber safe chain cleaner. So I'm not going to get into what cleaner is best, but just get one from Amazon or eBay or something. I'm using Blackbird, which I got from Amazon, and this is safe on rubber parts. So let's get to cleaning first. So get your motorcycle on the center stand so your rear wheel is free to rotate. If you don't have a center stand, then it's going to be a little more difficult. You're going to have to lean your motorcycle in a side stand so the rear wheel is off the ground, so you can rotate the rear wheel and clean and lubricate the chain. Anyway, I've got a center stand, so I've put it on it. Next is get your chain cleaner and get a rag, and let's spray the chain while rotating the wheel with the chain cleaner. And keep doing that until the entire chain has been cleaned. Get your brush now. So I got this specific chain cleaner brush that will clean the chain on all three sides, but you can use a toothbrush as well, but I suggest investing in one of these. So again, place this here and rotate the wheel and really try to get all the grime and dirt off the chain. Now let me get the top surface, which I haven't cleaned yet, and again rotate the wheel. Again, use a rag to wipe any excess. Clean her off. Okay. Now you can see all the grime and dirt that's fallen off the chain, so that's a good sign. Now that the chain's clean, now it's time to lubricate it. Now get your chain lubricant, and if you have a sealed chain for modern motorcycles, all you got to do is lubricate the inside and the outside of the chain. You don't need to put too much lubricant because the O-ring's kind of holding the grease inside. If you got an old motorcycle with a regular chain, you're gonna grease the shit out of your chain, so you're gonna lubricate every single part of the chain. But chances are you're just gonna have to lubricate the outside and the inside of your sealed chain because you've got hopefully a new motorcycle. Okay, so again, while rotating the wheel, I'm gonna lubricate the inside of the chain first, so next to the sprocket. So get your chain lubricant, and the whole of the inside of the chain has been lubricated. Now let me lubricate the outside. Then get your rag and just don't wipe the grease off the chain, but just wipe any excess grease. So just hold it below the chain and rotate the wheel to just wipe any excess grease. Okay, and that's it. And that's how you clean and lubricate your motorcycle chain. Again, it's important to do this every 500 to 800 kilometers or so. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact frequency of how often you need to do this, but 500 to 800 kilometers is on average for every motorcycle. Hope you liked this video. If you did like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, and see you next time. It's your boy Eazy again, signing off. Take care.